Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Dooney and Bourke haul. So let's take a look and see what it is. All right, y'all. So we're going to get started with, I think I'm actually going to open up the accessory first. You can already see what's going on over there. So why not start here? And I have said before that I am going to do a full video of my collection of all of these pieces from this collection. I'm glad I didn't, y'all, because I'm not done yet. I really thought I was done with the last unboxing, but I'm not. So, y'all, this is my favorite, the large zip around wristlet / wallet or wallet wristlet. And this is again from the Plumes collection, and it's in the color brown. Even though to me the fuchsia kind of stands out more, but I guess it kind of depends on what you put next to it and how you look at it. Oh, it came off by itself. So with the large zip around wallet wristlet, the strap is detachable if you haven't seen one before. And a quick look at the inside as well. It does have 6 slip pockets or slips, 6 card slots on each side. With leather interior as well as the red lining and a zipper pocket. And a slip pocket as well. So that's the inside of it, y'all. So let's open up what this matches here in the background. And if you all are watching and if you feel like you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And since this is taped up like this, I'm going to guess that this was a good old return. So hopefully everything is good with it, y'all, because there are no more of these online. These popped up online one day and they quickly, disappeared. So I don't know if people had their notifications on or what, but this particular silhouette, it absolutely was not on there for long at all. It taped it up pretty good. So y'all, this is the only silhouette that I do not have in this collection. I believe outside of the tote. But the barrel satchel and this color. I did not have this particular color of this collection. All the other colors except for this one. So when I saw this one and in this silhouette, I figured that this would be a good addition to the Plumes collection for me. And this is the barrel satchel. Did it even have a I don't even think it had a little, it didn't have a label inside. I just realized that. We'll see if it's inside of the bag. So let's look at the hang tag and see. It should just say Plumes and barrel satchel and the color brown. All right, y'all. So of course with this one, it does have the loops here for the shoulder strap. And the zipper does come all the way down on the sides. And it's one zipper. It's not a double zipper. Many colors in this bag, so I hope everything is coming up pretty good. Green, yellow, brown, fuchsia. 2 shades of brown, actually. There's orange and 2 shades of blue right there. Yellow, if I didn't already say that. I don't see any thin white lines in this particular print though. And of course the brown trim. So this strap is already unwrapped. So you get a look at the strap. It is a good width to it as well. Let me look at the feet. See if they don't look like, I wouldn't say it's been carried. If they did, they didn't scuff the feet. So they stuffed it back, and it looks good. Just a slip pocket on the front side of the bag. And then let's see if the registration card is in here. It is, with the sticker and a slip pocket in front. And then the key leash with the Dooney and Bourke label there. So y'all, I would say this one checks out, and I'll show you how the zip around fits inside very easily. And this looks to be about the same size as my pebble grain barrel satchels. Yeah, I would say it's about the same size. It could possibly be just a little bit shorter in length, but it looks like it could be the same dimensions or measurements. All right, y'all, so that's the satchel, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the third item. We did 2 so far, so we're doing good on time. And since my last video, all comment, let me know if you have been able to add any of the plumes pieces to your collection or not, or if you're still thinking about it, or if there's a color that you, or a silhouette that you may want but not sure what color you want it in. So we got 1 and 2 there. All right, y'all, so let's move on to the other one that actually matches this as well, the third item. And if you all, this one is taped up as well, so I'm gonna take a guess that this was a return also. Maybe that's why they kind of like appeared on the website and disappeared very quickly, because there may not have been many of them. This one, I think, is still on the ILD site. So this is the small hobo in the color brown, and that's the code for it. And this one, I have in the other colors as well. And I chose this particular silhouette because it does allow me to carry it as a crossbody. And it also fits the large zip around wristlet as well. It's one of the few small purses that's convertible to a crossbody that I'm aware of that actually fits the large zip around wallet. As you can see, I got caught on the key keeper. Wait a minute. There we go. So since that's my favorite wallet, and to get a hobo that's also a crossbody, can be used as a crossbody, and it holds the wallet, that's what makes this one of my favorite smaller silhouettes. And plus it has feet as well, and it has an outside zipper pocket. So this is the shoulder strap that goes with it. So of course you can leave the shoulder strap on it, as well as add a crossbody strap to it. So you would have the option, both options. And the shoulder strap is not adjustable, but it is a good width, which I like as well. All right, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the fourth item. And I may need to move these out of the way. We can bring them all back together later. All right, y'all. So this, I would it's hard to pick a favorite, y'all. I'll just say it was my first print in this collection that I got initially. It was the Hobo Sack, I believe is the name of the silhouette. And so I thought that I did not want another large silhouette in this print until I saw this pop up, and it was a good price, so I went ahead and added it to the family, y'all. And the way that these are taped up, like I said, they must have either been returns or maybe they were in the store and they just packaged them like this to ship them. Like maybe they didn't sell when they were in store or something and they went back to the warehouse. I don't know. Just guessing. So this is the label for it. The blue drawstring plumes. It says 1 of 1 with the shipward date of November 7th, 2024. And just looking at this, y'all, that's why I could say it's hard to pick a favorite. This was the first one, so I would say it's my favorite, y'all, but I don't know. The black one I like, the pink I like. Now that I have the brown and the different silhouette, I like. I did see certain silhouettes I did not like the brown in, but when I saw the barrel and the small hobo, I did like how it looked. And those two particular silhouettes. So since this strap is unwrapped, I am going to say it was either display or return. But it does have this beautiful equestrian strap. And it is adjustable, as you can see. And this is a hang tag for it. And let me make sure that everything is in the camera for y'all to see it. So it does have the metal plate, the leather trim around the bottom, leather down the side, full 360 of it. I did show the feet already. I was looking at the colors while I was talking, so it's like, did I show everything? Pretty sure I did. So the inside of this one, you all, with it being a drawstring bag, it does have a lot of space for you to just throw and go. Throw everything in here and go. So on the back side, the normal setup, zipper pocket, registration card and sticker, Dooney and Bourke leather patch there, and key keeper on the left side with the Dooney and Bourke authentication label. And on the front you have 2 slip pockets, one bigger than the other. And I'll probably put some stuffing back in it so the bottom of it will stand up better. So I figured this was my last chance to get this one, especially at that price. I guess we'll kind of see as this year goes if they have any more that they'll put on the site or not. But I believe that was my first or second time seeing that on the I Love Dooney website. So glad I grabbed that one, y'all. And this is probably the largest plumes haul that I've had, I would say. And I do have the both wallets to match this one, the small flat wallet, as well as the wallet this size to match it up also. So y'all, it's nothing else in the box. So that is it for this haul. And thought I found the label for that one, but I didn't. So I'm looking forward to reading you all's comments. So let me know what you all think about the brown compared to the blue. And also if you've seen the pink, I'll try to link that video in the description of the pink unboxing I did of the drawstring. As well as the black. For you all to kind of compare if you're not familiar with the Plumes collection. And let me know which is your favorite, or if you are indeed not a fan of this collection. I completely understand. There's a lot of colors going on, so some people may not like that. I'm a fan of it, you all, and I did not mention at the beginning of this video that this is going to be for the hashtag for Joyful January. This is absolutely, to me, a joyful print and handbag. Regardless of the silhouette and color, I feel like it's a joyful bag for Joyful Bag January. I mean, just look at all the colors. I don't think I can look at it and not feel some type of joy with the colors and the pattern, because it's one of my favorites. So I'm looking forward to reading you all's comments. Thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.